Hi friends, good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhaipechu. Hope you guys doing good and stay safe. This is my YouTube channel. So in case you haven't subscribed my channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates. And today we are going to see some multi-bagger stocks for the future purpose. It's purely for investment, not for day trading. It's purely for investment. I'm again saying. So these stocks will become multi-bagger in future. I'm not a SEBI registered. This video is for educational purpose. In case you have to invest in stocks, please consult your financial advisor. Okay, let's get back to the stocks. Okay, so I have taken three stocks. One is Zerodha Sugar, one is Brighton Group, and one is Snowman Logistics. What has happened in the past and what is going to happen in the future? So when you see the Zerodha Sugar, because always a penny stocks, I go for the larger time frame, higher time frame for the more accuracy. See when you see this stock, it's beautifully forming a trend line from almost past 9 years. They're forming a trend line, a very big fall. The market went up to around 120. From there, the market started falling. So as of now, the market is into clear downtrend, but overall the market started into the upside from here onwards, taking a very good support here from March 2020. So market got slowly up and crossed the trend line, taking a support. Clearly last 2 months the market was a very good uptrend, 30% high last month, and so far in this month 51% high. So what is going to happen in the future for this stock? See, market clearly shows the trend line crossed. Same you can see this kind of pattern in the Tata Power. That's what Tata Power is going very good, become multi-bagger as of now. From 102 the market has become 130 as of now, in last 2 weeks. See, clear buy trend. See the strong bullish sign for the past 3 months. If it continues, probably this level is the first target, 32, and again 39 or 40 range will be the second target as of now. This is big. This is going to be key resistance. The 40 would become the major resistance for this stock, because it's going to reach the previous high. That is almost, if it breaks this side, it's going to break the 9-year high. That's what we need to wait at least till 39 to 40 for Zerodha Sugars. So what is going to happen in the BCG Brighton Group? This is a kind of a consulting IT service, a digital marketing company. So this company, so I don't see the fundamental stuff. I see only price action pattern. That is the only thing I know. That's what I'm trading on these strategies. See, it's slowly forming a rounding bottom. Can you see that? It's slowly forming a rounding bottom. See, market might go up to 37 right now. This has become a very penny stock, that is below 15 rupees. See, this month the market has given almost like 58%. When you see the lower time frame like weekly, a beautiful price action. See, this is a false breakout, guys. That's what, when you see some kind of time frame, you could see the false breakout also. From almost like 2 years back into the channel, 1, 2, 3, almost 3 to 4 times got support, taking a support. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 times. This week, that means the last week, the big bullish candle has broken. So coming week, if it taking a retracement or a pullback or consolidation, anything could happen. The market still, I would say, it will reach the higher level in upcoming days for the Brighton Group. Then Snowman Logistics, everybody knows about this stock, what is going to happen. Okay, see, I have drawn a fib extension from swing low to swing high on the pullback stuff. Exactly, market, see, exactly a beautiful at 38.2% level. Last 4 weeks the market is into buying pressure. See, from 49 to the market went up to 59, almost within 4 weeks. That is within 4 weeks the market has given 10 points up. These kind of stocks, that's a huge, I would say, it's a massive move, I would say. And moreover, once this level, this channel got broken, definitely this is a key level. 66 would be the key level. We can expect another 8 to 10 points in the upcoming weeks, even though it's a low pricing stock, but we need to wait for this level. Why this market is moving in upside? See this level, it taking a beautiful consolidation. Again, this is a channel got broken, again goes up, again marking. This is how the Richard Wyckoff theory, forming here, goes up, coming, got broken, again a small fall would happen, again going up. When you see, this is a kind of rounding bottom. Yeah, I can try, believe. Yeah, okay, see, can you see that? Yeah, slowly going. Yeah, this is how you need to wait patiently to hold the stocks. Yeah, so that's it, guys. These are 3 stocks for the multi-bagger. If you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe it for more updates, and please hit the bell icon for instant updates. Stay safe, happy weekend, bye bye.